Every bottle of orange juice begins here, in the orchard. Fresh oranges are grown and picked at peak ripeness. That freshness is what defines the final taste. Oranges are harvested carefully to protect quality. They are packed and prepared for transport. From the farm, they move straight to the factory. This is where processing begins. Each orange is inspected for freshness and quality. The oranges are washed to remove dirt and impurities. Only clean fruit moves forward. Next comes extraction. The oranges are pressed to release their juice. The juice moves through sealed systems. It is filtered for consistency and safety.
Quality checks happen at every stage.
Once approved, bottling begins. Vince Kettle. Each bottle is filled with precision.
From orchard to glass.
Then sealed to lock in freshness. Bottles are packed for delivery. stored until shipment.
Ready to reach stores and homes.
Confidence and Connect, from orchard to glass.
This is the journey behind every sip.